API standards, landscape and scope boundaries, PI standards. In rotating equipment engineering, no single API standard covers everything. API standards work together as a structured framework to ensure reliability, safety, and performance across the complete equipment package. Understanding how these standards interact is critical for real package engineering. Why multiple API standards exist. Rotating equipment packages are complex systems. They include main equipment, pump or compressor, seal system for containment, lubrication oil system, installation and alignment practices, support and auxiliary systems. Because of this complexity, API developed modular specialized standards that integrate together. Slide 3. API Standards Overview Map. Each API standard governs a specific part of the rotating equipment package. API 610, centrifugal pumps. API 617, centrifugal compressors. API 614, lube oil systems. API 682, mechanical seals. API 692, dry gas seals. API 686, installation and alignment. Together, they create a complete reliability framework. API 610, centrifugal pumps. API 610 defines the mechanical design requirements for centrifugal pumps. Applications include refinery and petrochemical service. Core focus, mechanical integrity, material selection, nozzle load limits, shaft deflection control. Pump classifications, OH, overhung, BB, between bearings, VS, vertically suspended. Testing requirements include performance testing, mechanical run tests, and NPSH verification. API 617. Centrifugal compressors. API 617 defines the design and performance requirements for centrifugal compressors. Applications include process compressors, pipelines, and LNG service. Key focus areas: rotor dynamics and critical speed, casing pressure containment, vibration limits, full load performance testing, seal interface requirements. It defines the compressor, not the seal gas panel. API 614. Lube Oil Systems. API 614 governs forced lubrication systems. It applies to pumps, compressors, and turbines requiring external lubrication. Focus areas: lube oil skid layout, reservoir sizing, filtration and cooling, redundancy philosophy, instrumentation and monitoring. API 614 ensures equipment reliability through proper lubrication. Standards: API 682 and API 692. API 682 applies to mechanical seals for pumps. It defines seal configurations, seal support plans, cartridge design, instrumentation, used with API 610 pumps. API 692 applies to dry gas seals for compressors. It defines DGS configurations, seal gas panel design, filtration and conditioning, diagnostics and monitoring, used with API 617 compressors. API 686, installation and alignment. API 686 governs field installation practices. Even perfectly designed equipment can fail without proper installation. It covers baseplate installation, grouting, shaft alignment, coupling installation, commissioning checks. It applies to all rotating equipment types. Boundaries, responsibility matrix, pump package, pump, API 610, mechanical seal, API 682, lube oil system, API 614, installation, API 686, compressor package, compressor, API 617, dry gas seal, API 692, seal gas panel, API 692, lube oil system, API 614, installation, API 686. Understanding these boundaries is critical for interviews and real engineering work. Common scope boundary misconceptions. API 610 does not define seal system design. It only defines seal chamber interface dimensions. Seal design is governed by API 682. API 617 does not define seal gas panel design. That is governed by API 692. Lube oil system design follows API 614. Installation practices follow API 686. Each standard has clear responsibility limits. Real package engineering workflow. Step 1. Select main equipment. API 610 for pumps, API 617 for compressors. Step 2. Select seal standard. API 682 for pump seals, API 692 for compressor dry gas seals. Step 3. Select lube system. API 614. Step 4. Plan installation. API 686. This systematic workflow ensures complete package integrity. Engineering decision flow. 01. Select main equipment standard. 02. Select appropriate seal standard. 03. Design lube oil system. 4. Plan installation and commissioning. This layered approach ensures mechanical integrity, containment integrity, reliability support, and field performance. Interview questions and expert answers. How do API 617 and API 692 relate? API 617 defines compressor mechanical design and seal interface. API 692 defines dry gas seal system and seal gas panel design. Why is API 614 separate? Because lubrication systems are common across multiple equipment types and require standardized reliability practices. Does API 610 define seal system design? No, it defines seal chamber interface only. Seal design follows API 682. What is API 686's role? It ensures proper installation and alignment to prevent premature failures. Which APIs are used in compressor package design? API 617, API 692, API 614, API 686. Final golden interview line. In rotating equipment, API standards are layered. Equipment standards define machine integrity. Seal standards define containment integrity. Support system standards define reliability support. Installation standards define field performance. Understand the layering, and you understand package engineering. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep technical content on API standards, pumps, compressors, and rotating equipment engineering.